Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and tools. Today, we're diving into the world of powerful cleaning with the Westinghouse WPX3200e electric pressure washer. If you're looking for the best in the market, this 3200 psi powerhouse might just be what you need. Let's get started. First impressions matter, and the WPX3200e makes a solid one. With its sturdy steel frame and high profile, never flat wheels, maneuvering this beast around your property is a breeze. The design is robust yet practical, designed to handle everything from patio furniture to tough driveway stains. Now, let's talk power. Packing 3200 psi and 1.76 GPM, this electric pressure washer means business. Whether you're cleaning decks, siding, or even your car, it delivers a deep clean with ease. Plus, with a 0.9-gallon onboard soap tank and 5 quick connect nozzles, you're equipped for any cleaning task. What really sets the WPX3200e apart is its high-performance 13A induction motor. Paired with a maintenance-free axial cam pump, it ensures durability and reliability, even during prolonged use. The 25-foot abrasion-resistant hose and lightweight spray gun add to the convenience, giving you freedom to reach wherever the grime hides. Assembling the WPX3200e is a breeze. It comes with everything you need, and setup takes just minutes. Customers rave about its ease of use, citing the intuitive controls and ergonomic design. And with a 35-foot power cord, you have ample reach without constantly searching for outlets. Maintenance is straightforward too, thanks to its thoughtful design. The durable steel frame and robust construction ensure longevity, backed by a generous 3-year limited warranty. It's designed to be a reliable companion in your cleaning arsenal for years to come. At around $399, it's competitively priced for its class. When you factor in the performance, durability, and ease of use, the WPX3200e represents excellent value for your investment. Plus, with over 8,000 ratings averaging 4.6 stars, it's clear customers are satisfied with their purchase. Wrapping up, the Westinghouse WPX3200e electric pressure washer truly stands out as one of the best 3200 psi models you can get your hands on today. Whether you're tackling home exteriors, vehicles, or outdoor furniture, its power and versatility shine through. If you're serious about cleaning, this is a tool that won't let you down. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more detailed reviews like this. Have questions or experiences with the WPX3200e? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy cleaning!